working, connected to chat. Hello, I am out in Mammoth. It is a bit early for a lot of people, so hopefully you guys are nice and cozy in your homes. But yeah, we're in our Mammoth cabin on our snowboarding trip, and do you see outside? It is a snow blizzard. I've been wanting to stream randomly earlier this week, but it's just been a complete, oh my god, snow blizzard. So have not been able to stream till now, and this is right before we're going out to go snowboarding. So I thought, since we've got so much snow piled up on the deck over here, that we could build a snowman. It's not going to be a fancy snowman. There's not going to be like, what do you call it? Like the carrot and the coal for the nose and everything. But hi Armstrong, hello. Hi B Cruise, hi Mex. Yeah, so it's not going to be a fancy snowman because it's snowing a lot outside. I'll show you in just a second. I'm just kind of like saving going outside for a little bit so that I don't completely freeze. Hi K Jason, hi Atreus. But yeah, we're gonna go outside. There's plenty of snow. We're gonna try to make a snowman. I want to try making a large snowman because there's so much snow, so at least the structure. I don't know if we'll be able to make a 3-layered snowman, but maybe at least like a 2-layered snowman would be good. But hi Adam, good to see you. Okay, but yeah, our place, no, I'm not gonna share our place. It's kind of a mess because we've been trying to dry off all of our stuff from yesterday. But let me put on my mittens and then let's go outside. Okay, sure, mittens going on. But surprisingly, the internet ain't too bad up here. It's like upload speed is 10, so hopefully you guys are able to stay. Okay, put on the mittens. Oh, thank you, Max. Yes, happy early Christmas. And for some of you guys, is it already Christmas? For those of you who are a day ahead, perhaps. But yes, happy early Christmas. Mittens, yes. Oh yeah, if you lived in Canada, Frosty. Oh, no wonder your name is Frosty. Then you would have gotten a lot of snow. I thought Australia gets snow too. But maybe not as much as Canada. Okay. Here we go. I'm so bad at putting on mittens. Wait, gotta tighten it first. Doop. And then put your jacket over it. Doop. Mine is Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, Merry Christmas, Atreus. Fun world. Yeah, oh, and you can kind of hear people, or not people, bulldozers cleaning up snow outside. Okay, here we go. I'm scared, but let's go. Okay, here we go. I got my snow boots on too and my snowboarding clothes so that I don't freeze. Okay, wait, how do I turn the camera? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Shoot. Oh, there we go. Okay. No, come on. Okay, well, I can't turn the camera apparently because I'm kind of limited in what I can do with the mittens on. Okay, close the door so we don't send the snow blizzard inside home. Woo! Oh my gosh! It's so snowy. Look. So much snow. Ta-da! First snow. Isn't it the best when Isn't it the best when you step on fresh snow? Hello, hi Squishy the Squid. It's 104 degrees Fahrenheit here at the moment. Oh my gosh, I think it's like -10 degrees Fahrenheit over here. Oh, wait. Let me put on my hood. So much white stuff. Yes, there is quite a lot. Okay, so here we go. Let's try to build a snowman. Every time I look that way, the snow blows in my face, so I have to set you guys down this way. Please stay, camera. Okay, good. Okay. Hi, Shazu. Okay, I'm gonna have to disconnect my mic while I build the snowman because... Hi, Craig. Because, hi, Meowing. Surprise Friday stream. Yeah, from Mammoth with a lot of snow. I've been saying I've been meaning to snow more. No, I don't want it to snow anymore. No more snow. I've been meaning to stream more, but it's just been impossible with the amount of snow blizzard that's been going on, like 24/7. Okay, well, with that, Zilver's here too. Hi, Zilver. Okay, with that, I'm gonna detach my mic. Oh, wait, my phone. Protect. Okay, I'm gonna have to lower you guys because the wind's gonna knock you guys over. Okay. I'm gonna detach my mic and then start building our snowman. What the hell? It's such a struggle. Took it in some... Action almost dropped us. No. I'm not gonna drop you guys. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first, we gotta make the head. Or the body. We gotta first make the body. This snow is not getting packed very well. I think I don't know how to make a snowman very well. Okay, well, got some snow over here. We're starting off with a small... We froze. You froze? Oh, shoot. Shoot, you guys did freeze. Oh, no. Come back. Wi-Fi? Hello? Wi-Fi? No! Why is Wi-Fi? Come on. Wi-Fi's going. Why is it... Why did it freeze all of a sudden? Why did it drop all of a sudden? See you later, Nuka. Sit tight. Sorry. Wind is swooshing the antenna. Maybe. Okay, so I think also I should not take you guys toward that wall. Okay, but here, I'm just gonna sit. I should probably not sit. My butt's gonna get wet. Okay, so here's a good start. I think this is a decent start. And we just gotta pack snow on top of it until it kind of accumulates. And then we gotta start rolling it. Oh! Snow! Stop! Stop! Okay. Okay, it's getting bigger, kind of. What do you think? Look, it got bigger. It got bigger. Now we just have to make it rounder. Because this is the bottom. This is the body. Or the first part of the body. Going pretty well, don't you think? Going to attack Dennis with snowball. Maybe. Des just came out of the shower and he's sitting right there. No! It just... Part of it broke. become frosty? No, it broke again. The other side broke this time. Okay, apparently I can't put it down. I can't set it down, otherwise it keeps breaking. Ugh. Okay, apparently there's skill to building snowman. I should have watched a YouTube video like how to build a snowman. Apparently I didn't know that building a snowman is quite difficult. Okay, it just takes patience though, right? Just takes patience. Hi, Pants. Not too powdery. Life hacks: get water spray bottle to make it more. Are you serious? Well, that sounds like quite a commitment. And I didn't bring a water spray bottle. Ugh! The snow is blowing. Oh, my legs. Oh, squatting is not fun. Okay, wait. Okay, it's getting better. It's getting better. Oh, I know. I can go like hack it down that way. I think that kind of works too. Hi, Natla. Oh yeah, that totally works. You kind of glue it with snowman. I'll put it down here for now, and then we'll film the assembly part later. Okay, so that's the first part of the body. And then now let's build the second part of the body. Yeah, I wanted to build a huge snowman, but it doesn't seem like that's very likely. Or maybe once we get these like cores created, we can roll it and make it huge. Hiring dragon breath to pack snow. Exactly. Who needs a water spritzer when you got a dragon right here? It actually works. Which is amazing. Oh! I just dropped it. Don't drop your snowball. Looks like I'm trying to eat the snowball. Hi, Death is the start. Hello. Hi, Bestro. Way too floofy right now. Yeah, it is a bit floofy. But it's actually like not completely dry snow, because yesterday when we were snowboarding, it was actually pretty wet. Like, we got pretty wet snowboarding. Okay. Okay, we're making some progress. Ah! When the blizzard starts, drop and cover. So cover yourselves, guys. Oh, we're making good progress. Oh! No! My progress is going backwards. Come on. What stone sticks better? Yeah.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, come out and play. Oh, we're in a slow blizzard, and we're so determined not to go away. To make it, to have that make us go away. I know it's a lot of cold and icicles on the roof that can drop down and kill us too.
Oh my gosh, okay, yeah. Don't be under the icicles.
Do you want to build a snowman? It really has to be a snowman. There's no bye.
You guys are stuck here until I finish my snowman. Oh no, sniffles. Yeah, it's really annoying because once you have sniffles, you don't have your hands to help you. Okay, do you think I could try rolling this? I'm kind of scared because sometimes you roll it and it gets much bigger, but sometimes you roll it and your snowball starts falling apart, and then that's the end of it. Do you guys think I should try rolling this? You might want to grab a shovel broom to break off the ice thing hanging from the... Oh! What was that? An avalanche? No, it was just a tractor. Well, I was being dramatic. The icicles are pretty small. I don't know if you can even see it. Yeah, so I don't think it's enough to, like, kill someone. Okay, well, maybe I should have probably made one when I was younger, but many memories is calling out my brain. Oh, snowman making? Yeah, I haven't made one in a while, too. I usually try to make one whenever I go snowboarding. It's so fun. Okay, do you guys want to see this roll happen? Okay, let me try rolling it. Up here, maybe. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's gotten a lot bigger. Look, it's working. Right? It's kind of gotten bigger. It's not as like smooth as rolling, snowboard rolling in, what do you call it? Animal Crossing. You don't just like roll, 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 roll. Yeah, do not drop. Yeah, this is precious right now. Yeah, it's not as easy as like in Animal Crossing where they just like roll, roll, roll the snowman and it turns into a snowman. It's not as easy as that, but still going. By the way, I realize you guys are crooked. There, it's a little better. but it's not as easy as I had imagined it to be. Oh. 1 to 2 kilo? My snowman is 1 to 2 kilo? That's really heavy. It's working! Look how big it is. It's quite big. Russia invading casual. Oh, it's the second ice age. Takeshi, look how big it is. It's pretty big. Okay, now I just gotta make. I don't think I can make it any bigger than this. But it's like, you know when you keep telling yourself you can't, you want to make it even bigger? Have you seen any wildlife around there? No, because the only wildlife I would be able to see in this snow blizzard is probably a yeti. Ah! But it's I haven't seen a yeti yet. Our snow baby, yeah! Look at our snow baby, it's growing! Oh shit, this is way too small. This can be the head. We need to make the second part of the body. Wait, why? What happened? Oh shoot! The stream has frozen and dropped. Kaboom. Wake me up! Yeah. Oh no, the stream is gone. Why? Why? It's coming back. It's coming back, guys. CPR. Snow CPR. CPR. Snow CPR. We're making the head. Okay, well, hopefully you guys are back. So I guess even though it says that the internet speed is really good, it's not like completely fully reliable. We are on to making the head right now because, or the second part of the body, because the one that I previously made was too small for that body. Got it. Oh, we're so much better at making snowballs now. I think I could have a pretty decent snowball fight now, because I'm pretty good at making snowballs. Yeah, the dragon breath method works really well. Look! I made it this big in no time this time. Oh no, did my bits ever make it through? Oh, I'm so sorry if I missed your bits. Shoot. Oh no, is it not active? Maybe, I think when initially it's good because I know Meowing's message came up, but like, once it breaks maybe, it struggles thereafter. I'm sorry. Progress! Mm-hmm. Yeah! We're making good progress over here. Ah! It's blowing again. We gotta protect the snowball. Let's try? What are you guys trying? Redeem? Oh shoot, unless it's a Korean redeem, I might not be able to meet any of the other redeems. What was redeemed? Why are you hanging on the snowball? Because it helps pack it together. Unless someone else redeemed sip your water, because then I can sip the... No redeems. Okay, thank you. Okay, because I could sip the snow, I guess. of it came off. Ah! Ah! Stop. Stop, stop. So snowy. Mm-hmm. Can we redeem Superhero? I can't open the door right now, actually. Because then the snow blizzard would go inside. So, I'm sorry. Please save the redeems for future streams. But thank you for the thoughtfulness. Okay, this is getting pretty good. Let's measure it up. Oh, it's getting pretty good because I have to put the head on top. So I just need this to be a little bit bigger and then it can hold it. Oh.
We can do it. Call Dennis like Henry. Dennis!
Oh, he does hear me.
Can I get some water?
Oh, okay. You guys can redeem sip your water, apparently.
Dennis is bringing water.
When I redeem, I think actions, not highlights. Oh.
Dennis!
Yeah, he could hear me, apparently, so he's been hearing me this whole time. He's pouring some water for us. Pouring some water for chat.
And viewers, this looks like a cool fellow. Aw, thank you, Adrian. I'll let him know you said that.
Oh goodness, we're running out of water.
Thank you. Could you keep it open?
Yeah, open it.
Thank you. Thank you. That's her. There. Water.
Okay, so this one's almost done. I think once we get this, never had enough snow to make a snowman. Oh, me too. I have to come pretty far to do it. Just have to outsource. Bottle freezes.
Perhaps we'll get ice cold water. Yeah.
Okay, so is this enough to hold this head? Kind of, but a little too small. So it needs to be a little bit bigger, and then we're done. We can start stacking. Snacking? Did I say snacking? Oh, now you guys know what's on my mind. Okay, this seems pretty good. Yes, time to stack. We're stacking now. Do you have cocoa in the lunch? Cocoa. Ah! Oh, the blizzard. Ah! Okay. I want you guys to be able to see the snowman stacking. No, I shouldn't have done that. Is it coming back? Okay, now it's coming back. Just gotta not move this. Okay.
So here's our snowman. We should name him.
Oh, sudden my phone movement might have made it worse. Okay. Well, hopefully it's okay now. Back. Okay. So this is gonna be the last movement. But we should name our snow baby. Our snow baby! Okay, he's gonna have a head as well. Or actually, I don't know if it's a he or a she. Could be a she as well. Gotta secure the second layer very well, otherwise the first layer, the head will fall off. So I'm gonna try to secure it pretty well. This is my gingerbread house making method. Just use a little bit of, there you go. Yay! Okay, now time to stack the head. So now make a nice fresh powder area to stack the head onto. Oh shoot, this isn't looking too good. The body is kind of questionable. I need sticks to make the hands also, I just realized. How do you make this stick? Ah! This is not gonna stay. How do I make this stay? Water in your mouth and really? Make the talk the second ball? I guess. Okay, really? Is that how you do it? Water in your mouth and then whoosh. Told you 3 times. Okay. I don't know how to do that. How do you do that? Shh. I don't know how to, I don't know how to do that. How do you do it? How do people spew it out? Oh, that seems to work. That seems to work pretty well. Ah! That worked. Yeah, that worked. We'll do this way. The water in your mouth. I don't know how to spew water apparently. pretty good. Did you decide what we're gonna name it? It would make the fart noise if you wouldn't have spat it properly. Too cold to be playing with water like that. No? Yeah, that's true. How to explain it better? Well, okay, well, I think we've made our snowman. I don't know how sturdy this will be, but look, I think it looks pretty good. We'll name him. What should we name him? I sense a jiggle. No, don't say that. He tall. Ivan? His name will be Ivan? Patbingsu. I like patbingsu because that means it's like a frozen dessert that you eat. Where'd it snow? Oh, it's in Mammoth right now. Frosty. I like okay, we'll do Frosty the patbingsu. Yeah, so Frosty the patbingsu is done. He has no arms or anything, but if I ever find sticks, I'll put them on and take a picture of him. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today because it's a snow blizzard and I'm getting kind of wet and then we need to get ready to go snowboarding. Yeti! Wait, shoot, I like that one, Yeti. But he's not furry. He's not like intimidating enough to be a Yeti. I really wish he was. It works well enough. Nice. Okay, well, thank you so much for being here today, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful Merry Christmas. I'm glad I got to show you guys some snow before Christmas. But yeah, have a safe, warm Christmas. And I'll see you guys back in LA. And thank you for being here. Goodbye.